It is vital that our voices go beyond our circles as academics and development practitioners. We need our discussions to reach the general public, and the media plays a vital role in bridging these messages across.
The media engagement training is indeed part of the Ateneo School of Government's initiative to strengthen the relevance of communications in policymaking.
To see civil society as one of the forces at work that can, in fact, enhance democracy. Society organizations expand the national conversation. They build up sources of and reflect civic culture. And this is an area that I want to emphasize, because we will want the kind of government that we want when we are completely convinced that we need to build civic virtues.
Even if we are young people delivering the message to a greater population. So credibility of the speaker is very important.
Always be smarter when saying yes to interview. Not all interviews are actually a good leverage to really say your point. So just double check as always kung ito bang media outfit na to or yung group na to will somehow cascade or amplify your voice so that more people would be able to understand where you are coming from.
Less is more. Because one barrier for me po is making our outputs more palatable to the people, especially kapag research work na po. So I think that's one insight that we have to keep in mind or take into consideration in the future.
Part of the second phase of reforms, ASoG invested heavily on promoting thought leadership as part of our nation-building work. We want to ensure that our knowledge products from our teaching, training, and research activities reach the intended stakeholders. And because of this, we started to beef up the support needed by our faculty, professors of praxis, and research fellows in engaging various sectors, including the media.